How you doing, dear Alyssa?
Gazi, are you mad?
I'm totally disappointed, mad, crazy, angry, and embarrassed totally because of our people. They are using my friend's profile picture, their baby's picture. What the hell of it? Who the hell you are, guys? Just to come on. So weird.
Yes, it was weird because I have two Facebooks, and I have one that I use that you see me on, and then another one it was from a long time ago, but I don't really use it. But I logged into it, and they sent me a friend request on the second Facebook, and then I was like, oh, did I send a friend request to myself? But it wasn't me. It was another page that was pretending to be me. And I messaged the person and I reported the page. I said that they're pretending to be somebody else.
Definitely, that's completely a good idea. Please be our guys who are trying to be pretended my friend Alyssa. Okay? Even yeah. I will... Okay.
I don't care if they were using, like, it was just pictures of me, but pictures of my kids, no.
No.
I don't like that.
Listen, they can't use either one, you or your babies. No, this is like a coward. Put your own picture, put your own name. What the insane?
Even the same caption, the same everything, same where I live, what school I went to, everything. I was like,
look, most of my audience are very, very kind to my Alyssa friend. You know that. So I would like to ask to all of them, please don't go on this Facebook page who is really being pretended of my friend Alyssa. Complete the fake account. This is only one account what I am really putting on the description box. There are no more Facebook page that is original without this one, guys.
Okay.
I'm so weird, embarrassed completely.
It's okay. People are weird. People are gonna be like that.
No, I'm you know what? This is a little bit shame on mine also. You are American and I'm a Bangladeshi people. You are supposed to get a good advice, a good people, hospitality. Instead of using those kind of stuff, our people are using the fake things. Say something to my audience, okay? I'm not in mood actually.
This is not okay. I don't appreciate taking pictures of my kids and pretending, making a profile of me. That is not acceptable, and I don't accept that. And I'm a very nice girl, but I don't like when people mess with me or my family.
Definitely. Okay? Look how polite our Alyssa is. She's speaking completely like a baby. She's really innocent. But our people is doing something really irrelevant.
Guys, they've been everywhere. They've been on my family's. Like, if I comment on my family's pictures or something, they're commenting on it. Or Instagram, my email, my TikTok, my YouTube, my friend's YouTube.
Oh my
everywhere.
God.
All in my Instagram. And my email, I had to take my email off of my Instagram because they were emailing me saying they want to marry me and all this stuff.
Yeah. Oh my God.
They're going crazy. And on my TikTok, they're going crazy too.
So how can I console you? I'm extremely sorry from Bangladesh, but what can I say to you?
Guys, he's cussing. But yeah, I thought that was weird.
That's so weird.
It's creepy.
Completely creepy behavior. Even, you know, I'm really speechless.
Yeah.
Shit. What?
sorry. I'm sorry.
No sorry, no sorry, but it's a shame on us. What will I say to you?
It's okay, Gazi. I mean, it's not you. You're nice. You're nice and you're kind. It's just people. It's people that I reported. The thing that you can do is look up my name and report it. Reported the page.
Yeah, okay. Alyssa is not for me, no. Alyssa is also for all Bangladeshis because she loves Bangladesh. She speaks with me very politely and to make fun with me. And our people, our fans also do crazy for Alyssa because of Alyssa's smile and speech, behavior, attitude, everything. But now what you are doing, that's completely insane, and Alyssa is being so much embarrassed of this behavior. Please avoid this. I know you are not really in good mood.
You're not, Gazi. Gazi, I think you were more mad than me.
Yeah.
When I first saw the message, I was very mad.
Okay, anyway, my dear Alyssa, but all the way I can say, all the way you tired?
No, I was just.
Yeah, okay, well, please make a smile on your face a little bit. End of the line. More. You're so pretty than I ever see, really.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I will do customize and then put this video and then you're such a lovely, not omen, girl. Not omen, girl. Omen sounds like a little bit ages, but you look totally baby, so I would say you are girl.
Girl, okay, thank you. I am a woman.
You are a omen, but look like completely a girl, young.
Woman.
Okay.
Okay.
Say.
Okay, guys, it was nice talking to you. Next time we can talk.
Sure.
Better.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much, my dear Alyssa, and see you around. But all the way I can say my apology to you because of these bullshit things. I'm sorry from Bangladesh. Please, dear brother, I'm talking to you who are trying to be pretended of my Alyssa. Please, skip this. This is not really good credit for Bangladesh, you know. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.
Assalamualaikum.
Warahmatullah. Oh, rahmatullah. Yeah, okay, it's okay. But you would say wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Yeah, wa alaikum assalam.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Yeah, okay. That's perfect. Okay, thank you, dear Alyssa. Bye.
You too. Bye.